They beat an old rancher in front of his son. The cold wind swept across the open plains of Montana as the sun sank behind the hills, bleeding orange light over the worn fences and the crooked barn that had stood for generations. Thomas Hale, a weathered man in his late 60s, leaned on his cane, his once strong frame now trembling from years of hard labor. His son Daniel, a quiet boy of 12, stood beside him clutching a rope and staring at the group of men who had come riding in on black horses. Men from the neighboring land, led by Cole Warren, a ruthless landowner who wanted to take the Hales Ranch for his expanding empire. "This land's mine now, old man," Cole spat, dismounting and throwing a deed to the ground. Thomas looked at it but didn't bend. "Paper don't make a man right," he said softly, his voice steady despite his shaking hands. "My father built this land, and I'll die here before I give it up." The men laughed, their boots crunching over the dirt as they closed in. Daniel's heart raced. He could smell the dust, the fear, the iron in the air. One of the men struck Thomas across the face, sending him to his knees. Daniel cried out and tried to run to him, but another man held him back, forcing him to watch as his father took every blow. "This'll teach you to stand in the way of progress," Cole sneered, his fists landing harder each time. Thomas didn't fight back. His eyes stayed fixed on his son, steady, gentle, telling him without words to stay strong. "Don't hate them, boy," he managed to whisper through bloodied lips. "Hate'll break you faster than pain ever could." When the beating finally stopped, the men mounted their horses and rode off, leaving the ranch quiet except for the sound of Daniel's sobs. He fell beside his father, clutching his hand. Thomas's breath came shallow, the world fading from his eyes, but he smiled faintly. "Promise me, you'll rebuild," he whispered. "Promise you'll make this land ours again." Daniel nodded, tears streaking down his face. "I promise, Pa." And with that, Thomas Hale took his last breath under the dying light of sunset. Years passed. Daniel grew into a man carved from loss and memory, rebuilding the ranch piece by piece, alone. He never forgot his father's words, never let bitterness take root. And one day, when the law finally caught up with Cole Warren, when his empire crumbled under the weight of his own greed, Daniel didn't celebrate. Instead, he rode to his father's grave, knelt, and laid down the deed that once stole their land. "We got it back, Pa," he whispered. But it wasn't revenge that did it. It was time, and the truth. The wind carried his words across the fields, and for a moment, Daniel swore he could hear his father's voice in the rustling grass, proud and peaceful. The sun dipped below the horizon just like that day so long ago, but this time, it didn't feel like an ending. It felt like home. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because every story we tell is a voice for those who stood tall even when the world tried to break them.